Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying access and cleaning the area. Remove wax and grit so glue adheres. Next, choose the sliding dent puller head that matches the dent radius and attach a 1/2 glue tab. Heat the tab with a glue gun to recommended temp. Align the tool rails parallel to the dent axis, clamp the base firmly against a solid panel edge, and make the first gentle pull to take slack. Small, controlled strokes prevent spreading the metal. Once the tab holds, apply incremental pulls. Aim for 1 to 3 mm per stroke to avoid overcorrecting. Release the slide between pulls so the metal relaxes. Make sure to re-glue and replace tabs when bond weakens. Warm glue bonds faster and cleaner. As the dent edge rises and begins aligning, switch to light tapping with a rubber mallet or finish hammer to knock down small high spots. This preserves paint and maintains control. You finish by removing glue residues with a suitable solvent and a soft pad, then inspect the surface closely for paint stress or micro cracks. If the dent is mostly out, blend edges with light sanding and finish with polish. If paint is compromised, stop and consider touch-up or repaint. Troubleshooting. If the tab repeatedly lifts, the glue is too cold or surface oily. Re-clean, warm the tab to improve bond, or switch to a larger tab for better contact and energy distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.